Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. You must have identified this plant as Madhu kamini. Madhu kamini, commonly known as Chinese box, also known as Murre exotica, mock orange, satin wood, is a tropical evergreen shrub or a small tree. This plant bearing small white scented flowers, which is grown as an ornamental tree or hedge. You must have all known what we are going to talk about today. Yes, today I will tell you how you can grow Madhu kamini in a pot. Also, I will be telling you some basic care of Madhu kamini plant. Madhu kamini plants like moisture, so these plants require regular water. Instead of water, you can also use rice water, vegetable wash water, etc. During the growing season, feed your farming plant balanced fertilizer. As you all know, my mom likes to use homemade fertilizers. So my mom is using kitchen waste fertilizer here. I have already uploaded on how to make kitchen waste compost, and there are a lot of videos about it. So if you wish, you can watch that video. And after watching that video, make sure to make your own fertilizer as well. The plant flowers throughout the year, but in North India, the winter has extreme climate, so that's the only time when the plant does not flower. You need to prune your plant time to time to make it bushy and healthy. It grows very well in alkaline, clay, sandy and humid soil. For this, the moisture soil should be good but not be damp or soggy. Time to time digging is very important for aeration. In flowering season, that means summer and rainy season, we must give our plant good fertilizer. It helps the plant get a lot of flowers. The little white fragrant blossoms that the plant delivers constantly are honeybee magnets. The plant furnishes the honeybees with a natural breeze boundary. For flowering, the best fertilizers are kitchen waste compost, banana peel fertilizer and eggshell fertilizer. Also, try to keep the plant near a sunny area. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.